Hey everybody, it's Pat Wilkins with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Today I've got a Carolina Skiff to show you guys. This thing is virtually brand new, in really good condition, with lots of great options and features on it. This is a 2021 Carolina Skiff 21 LS. You can see the two-tone color pattern here. Really sharp, especially with the color match white Suzuki 150 four-stroke with the stainless prop. Got the power pole attachment on the back. Really capable boat. Really popular and efficient here in our southeastern North Carolina area, but obviously this thing can thrive in just about any sort of waterway. Take a quick exterior walk around, then I'll hop up there and show you guys the inside of the boat. Swim platform with the 3-step stainless ladder. Got the chrome logo. Really sharp looking boat. A little bit of flare up to the rub rail. Trailer comes with it. Nice fender guards there. Super clean boat. Try and keep it that way as I hop up here. As you can see on the helm, it's got the flush mounted Garmin unit. It's got the power pole control there by the binnacle. Stainless helm tilting. All your switches and gauges here. Stereo control. Nice Garmin unit. That's a good storage everywhere. Beautiful upholstery on this boat. Not only up here on the bow, here on the console seat, as well as the bolsters. All matching upholstery. Really nice diamond stitch. This boat is equipped with 2 live wells. One back here on the stern. Another here forward of the console. Boat's really well equipped for fishing. Undergunnel rod storage. Upgraded leaning post. Stainless rocket launcher, as well as up top of the T-top. You got your aft facing spreader light, as well as forward. Rod storage on either side of the console as well. Four JBL speakers. Got your battery switches in here. Top of the fuel tank, fuel sender. Big storage compartment in here. All your rigging. Live well. This is a very clean boat. Just hitting the market now. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat, feel free to give me a call on my cell, which is 239-249-4345. Again, this is Pat Wilkins with MarineMax on Wrightsville Beach, showing you today this 2021 Carolina Skiff 21 LS. 154-stroke Suzuki on the back, power pole, Garmin, upgraded upholstery, leaning post, very well equipped, lightly used, available today. Thanks for watching, guys. Give me a call and let's get you out on the water.